With the continuous development of science and technology, machinery is increasingly being applied widely, freeing people from heavy labor, while also improving work efficiency. Below are 6 special types of construction machines that promise to change how we build in the future. 1 water channel repair machine. Previously, laying a concrete layer on water channels was done manually, consuming a lot of time and effort. Now, with the help of a special machine, this task has become faster and more efficient. The metal hammer in the machine is electrically powered to rotate evenly, pressing the concrete into the shape of the channel. As a result, the water channels are constructed not only beautifully, but also with high efficiency. 2 automatic bricklaying machine. On sidewalks, bricklaying often forces workers to crouch in uncomfortable positions, making the task tiring. However, a foreign company has developed an automatic bricklaying machine with an independent 4-wheel walking system, capable of moving in any direction. The machine can grab and place 2 bricks at once and automatically align them with the joints, greatly increasing work efficiency and reducing human labor. 3 quick pothole repair machine. Over time, asphalt roads deteriorate due to rain and traffic, causing potholes. Traditional repair methods require blocking the road and involve labor-intensive digging around the pothole. A company in the UK has introduced a quick pothole repair machine that can fix the problem in about 2 minutes. It simply drives to the pothole, inserts a nozzle, sprays material evenly, and completes the repair with minimal effort, reducing both time and repair costs. 4 automatic road paving machine. Traditional road paving by hand is not only inefficient, but also often lacks consistent quality. An automatic road paving machine has been developed, capable of laying road materials as needed, from straight paths to complex curves. The machine operates much faster than manual methods, ensuring a smoother and more efficient paving process. 5 wall building robot. Wall building is one of the most labor-intensive tasks in construction, typically done by hand, brick by brick. To reduce labor intensity and increase efficiency, an automatic wall building machine, also known as a wall building robot, has been developed. The robot works by delivering bricks via a conveyor belt and using a robotic arm to place cement and stack the bricks. This machine makes wall building much easier compared to manual labor. 6 automatic trench digging machine. Traditional trench digging with shovels and buckets often results in uneven trenches. A special trench digging machine with rotating spike tracks has been developed, capable of crushing even hard soil and rock. It can automatically control trench depth, width, and direction, making it an indispensable tool for precise and quick trench digging. After learning about these construction machines, do you think machines will completely replace human labor in the future? Share your thoughts with us.